This was how much YouTube paid me for 100,000 views. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about YouTube money, YouTube AdSense, YouTube revenue. So one of my videos reached 100,000 views recently. It's actually over a month now. So I just thought to share what is possible with YouTube revenue, YouTube AdSense, YouTube advertisements, and YouTube money generally. So this video is basically about sharing how much YouTube paid me for 100,000 views. So if you're a new YouTuber or an upcoming YouTube content creator and you just wonder, like, in 2023, like, how much does YouTube really pay for 100,000 views, then you're watching the right video, because we are going to be getting right into it very soon. But before we do that, I just need to lay down a couple of foundations, which include the fact that before you start getting paid by YouTube, you need to be a YouTube partner. And for you to be a YouTube partner at the moment, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Then you go ahead and apply and they will approve you, and then you become a YouTube partner. I've got this video that is very detailed about how to go about applying to be a YouTube partner with YouTube AdSense, so that YouTube can start placing advertisements on your videos, and then in turn you start getting paid for those adverts as long as your viewers are watching the videos. It is also good to know that there are other ways by which you can actually make money on YouTube. So YouTube AdSense is just one of the numerous ways in which you can make money on YouTube. There are other methods like brand sponsorships. This is when a brand collaborates with you. A brand is asking you to promote their product in your videos, and then they pay you for doing that. You can also get affiliate commissions via your YouTube channel. This is the process whereby you promote a particular product without, brand sponsorship. However, you get a certain commission for every of those products any one of your viewers buy. You can also decide to open a store and sell your own products, your own merchandise. A lot of YouTube creators now have spring stores, spread shops where they sell mugs, t-shirts, different things. And it can actually be a product that is related to what your YouTube is all about. And apart from that, you can also make money from, selling your own service on your YouTube channel. For example, if you're a coach who offer coaching services to students, you can also make money from that. You can also make money from selling courses, consultations to your YouTube viewers. I mean, the possibilities are just endless for you to make money on YouTube. So you need to know that YouTube AdSense is just a tiny bit. Now, this particular video that got me 100K recently on YouTube was published sometimes in 2021, so it took a long time for it to actually reach 100,000 subscribers. Now, for some people, depending on your influence and sometimes how long you've been on YouTube, sometimes number of subscribers you've got, there are a lot of factors that come into play, and also it depends on what the audience wants at that time. So all this can really play a role in how well a video is going to pick up. Like I said, my video, it took over a year for it to get to 100K. Some people get to 100K in one day, some in 1 week, some in 1 month, and mine was a year plus. So it really depends. It is not always the same for everybody on this YouTube streets. So I'm just looking down because I am on my computer right now, and I'll be showing it on the screen also so that you can see what I am seeing. So this particular video is about how to fill the DVLA form for driving license for immigrants in the United Kingdom. So if you are new to the United Kingdom, the video is basically telling you what you need to do in order to get yourself a driving license in the United Kingdom. So this video was published on November 17, 2021, and from that time till today is May 6, 2023, it has had 106,485 views on YouTube. It has impression of 500,000, and the impressions click-through rate was 14.4%, which actually has come down, because when I just uploaded the video it was much more higher than that. And that's usually what happens with videos. When you first push it out, the impression click-through rates might be higher, and then as time goes by it comes down, and later on it can start picking up again, maybe probably when YouTube starts pushing it out, and then it's getting more views, more attention. So right now it is sitting at 106,000 views, and it is one of the videos that is still bringing me like good money on my channel right now. I mean, let's look at the past month. So for the past month, in the last 28 days, it got 7,600 views, which is really not bad compared to other videos that I have on my channel. And the impression click-through rate was 15%, and the impressions was 31,840. Now I just scroll to how viewers find this video. So people found this video via YouTube search externally. That means that people actually shared my video outside of YouTube, and I got a lot of people coming in to watch me. I mean, 25.7% of the traffic that I have to this video actually came from external websites, and 64.8% came from YouTube search, and 3.6% came from suggested videos. I mean, YouTube search is one of my highest traffic. Yeah, YouTube search, which also means that I had 68% of the traffic from external websites coming from Google search. So YouTube, Google search, both of them, they work hand in hand. Once a video is doing well on YouTube, better be sure that it is also doing well on Google most of the time, especially if it was shared externally. And from what I'm looking at here, most of the videos that are actually suggesting this particular video are my own videos. I've got some videos from other content creators suggesting my video, like this one. Okay, so let us go to the engagement. The engagement for this particular video was not so good, I would say. I don't know why engagement just kind of, gets bad when a video starts doing well. So the engagement at the beginning was way better than this, but now out of a 9 minutes 45 seconds video, the average view duration right now is 2 minutes and 29 seconds. So that brings us to an average percentage view of 26% out of the whole video, which I will say it is very, very poor. However, this video is, it still managed to do well. It still managed to do 100k views. I am just going to go straight to the audience now, and from here I can see that 99% of people who watch this video were actually not subscribed to me. Just 1.4% of people who watch this video were subscribed to me, which is a good thing. That means that a lot of people were actually coming from outside of my channel to watch the video, which is great. Overall, this particular video has given me 205 subscribers, which is not so bad. And let's go to the part that you've been waiting for, the revenue. So the total revenue that I have gotten from this particular video is £837.18. So as you can see, it has been a high low kind of situation here. It comes up, it goes down, comes up, goes down. The highest I've made in a day on this video is £4.32, and the lowest that I've made in a day, £0.88. So diving deeper into the revenue, so most of the revenue, in fact almost all of the revenue, actually came from watch page ads, and just a tiny part, which is £2.22, came from YouTube Premium. So YouTube Premium is similar to paying for Netflix. So people pay to watch videos on YouTube without the adverts. So those people who watch this video they made me £2.22. So for this video right now, my RPM over time averagely is £7.89. That means for every 1,000 people who watched this video, I was paid £7.89. Okay, so scrolling down, I can see that advertisers actually paid £10.41 for every 1,000 viewers for this particular video. So advertisers paid £10.41 and YouTube paid me £7.89 per every 1,000 people who viewed this video. So when you're a YouTube partner, for every revenue that is made on your videos, YouTube takes a 45% cut and then you take a 55% cut. So it's not every cent that an advertiser pays to place their advert on your video that will be paid to you. YouTube is going to take their own cut and then they will give you what you deserve as a YouTube partner. So I've had other videos that are over 100k on my channel that actually didn't pay me up to that when they were at 100k views. So the amount of money that you get from YouTube AdSense revenue actually depends on a number of factors, like how long the video is, what kind of video is it, how many views it has got, how much are advertisers willing to pay for this particular video, and also what countries are your viewers from. Most of my viewers are from the United Kingdom. I guess that's why the CPM and RPM is a bit high. If my viewers were from third world countries, it would be much more lower than that, and my revenue will be much more lower. Also, this particular video was about license in the United Kingdom, so I guess a lot of companies are not really willing to pay a lot for it. If it were to be like a business kind of video or a make money online video, you know, something techy, something about tech or things like that, then the RPM and the CPM will be much more higher, and I might even be making twice what I've made with this video. Anyway guys, I hope this has been explanatory, expository, eye-opening, everything. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave your comments in the comment section, and yep, I'm going to see you in my next one. I've got other videos showing on your screen right now. Please make sure that you click on one of them and I'm going to see you there. Bye.